Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. Today we're preparing sinuglaw. Sinuglaw is a mixture of kilawin na isda and sinugba na baboy. This is a Visayan creation, no? Dati kasi sa mga restaurants when you order kilawin lang or sugba. Pero sa ang Visayan, ginawa nila, nag-mix sila, gisagol nila ang kinilaw o sugba. So today, this is what we are preparing. First, we'll prepare our kinilaw na isda. So we're using tangigue. So you can see here, it's filleted already. And you have to make sure that yung isda is always fresh. It doesn't have a fishy smell, so it has to smell like the sea. So mabango siya lagi. What we'll do is, we'll dry our fish before we cut it. Let's dry it. There you go. Good. Yeah, very nice. So once your fish is dry, lagyan natin siya sa chopping board. And to be ready for preparation for cutting. And then we'll slice our fish. Get a sharp knife. We'll cut this in the middle. Both fish. There you go. Okay. Then make sure na wala siyang tinik. May feel mo naman kung may tinik eh. So this one is tangigue, so it's not matinik. So we'll cut it. Pero yung pag-cut na isda, mas maganda hindi masyadong malaki. Okay? So tama lang dapat yung nipis niya, just like this. As the meat gets smaller, then you can start making your cuts a little thicker. There, so thicker na siya. All right. Once our fish all cut up, let's wash our hands again. Every time you prepare food, make sure your hands are clean all the time, at any given time. Kasi kinakain ng ibang tao yan eh. And you don't want to contaminate it with germs or infection, no? So always wash your hands. Now we'll prepare our lamas. What are the ingredients that we're going to put? Ito, main ingredient ito sa kinilaw, luya. Okay, and good amount of onions. Sili. We're using two kinds. Itong sili na pangsigang and itong maanghang talaga na sili. Alright? And then, we'll squeeze some lemon. Let's do our luya. So, we'll skin our luya. Let's get a good amount of luya. We'll put this here. We'll skin it. Okay. Masarap yung kinilaw pag maraming luya. Oo, yun talaga nagdadala ng flavor eh. And then, dapat sa kinilaw, you need to have very strong vinegar, no? I'm using the vinegar coming from my neighbor, si Rey Evangelista. Ito yung suka na ginagawa ni Rey Evangelista. You know? Wow! After this, ito yung mga byproduct ng tuba. So, that's coconut, that's coconut vinegar. So now, we'll cut our luya. Maraming luya sa kinilaw, mas masarap. It doesn't have to be too fine. There you go. And i-cubes natin siya. Ito na yung luya na gamitin natin. We'll put this now dun sa fish na prepare natin. There goes the luya. Okay. Love it with lots of luya. And then, we'll cut our sili. This green sili is not too spicy. So, the heat index of this is not too high. Talaga good for flavor lang siya. Ang heat level niya is mababa lang. Unlike yung siling labuyo, yan, mainit talaga yan. So, ito, isasama rin natin dito sa mixture natin. There you go. And then, ito na, yung boss nila, So, tanggalin natin yung stock. Remember that the sili is very hot. So, when you cut sili, make sure na after cutting this, make sure na you wash your hands kasi baka biglang matama yung mata mo. Goodbye, iyak ka talaga. Put it here. Beautiful colors. Okay. we'll put in our vinegar. Let's put in lots of vinegar. Yeah. The vinegar will marinate the fish. We'll put in pepper and a little salt. So we'll put the peppers here, and then we'll put in a lemon. Squeeze a lemon. And let's put some salt. And then ato siya isagol. So we'll mix this now. And then we'll marinate this. I want more vinegar in this. Kasi mamaya lalagyan natin ito ng kinilaw. There you go. And then I'm going to slice the onion. Wow, look at that. Take out the head. And then to, coarse lang to, diretso lang. And then take out the skin. It doesn't have to be too fine. There you go. Then we'll cut it like this. Haba lang. Take out the root part and then spread it open just like that. So once our onions are cut, we just mix this with the fish that's marinating. Yeah, together with the onions. Separate the onions. Sarap nito, because you can munch the onions. And this kind of onions is a little sweeter than the Bombay. We'll mix this. We'll mix it well, and then just continue to let it sit and marinate. Yeah. So now we'll prepare our liempo. We'll just put vinegar, and then we'll put in a little soy sauce, pepper, and then some salt. Ito na yung basic na sugba natin. And then just turn it lang, quick marinade. Habang pinapabagaan natin yung grill natin, nagma-marinate yung liempo natin. Diba? Beautiful. Ganda nito. It looks so appetizing. Looks so good. Let's wash your hands again. Then we'll prepare our grill. So we'll prepare our grill, and then you can get the old newspaper. Lagyan mo sa ilalim dyan. Yan, pasok mo lang doon. Let's begin our fire. So, yan. Medyo nagbabaga na siya. We'll scatter this a little. Wow, init. Sarap. We'll spread the heat evenly para maganda yung luto natin sa sugba. Then, grill natin, put it on top. So now, let's grill our liempo. There you go. Nakakaiyak pala itong liempo na ito, no? Pag malakas yung usok, may iyak, eh. Nakakaluha. And then, just grill it. Kasi maluto na siya. Pag malakas yung fire, pag gusto kang kayo, and just spray it with a little water para di siya masyado masunog. You want your pork na luto, hindi sunog. And you want a little color on your liempo. Yeah, nice. So this one should cook at least about 4 minutes on each side. No, you want your pork to be well done all the time. Unlike beef, no, steak or mga liver, yun, you prefer them medium rare. Wow, it smells so good. Sarap na amoy. May, halika, baka maging daing ka dyan dito ka banda. And usok na dyan. Hari. So this one will cook in Juliana. We're making sinuglaw today. Sinuglaw is sinugba and kinilaw. Yung wala ka namang kasalanan, hindi ka naman pinapagalitan pero umiiyak ka. No? Okay. Beautiful. Put it here. Put it here. So now that our liempo is cooked, no? Nasugba na nato. And then a while ago we prepared our kinilaw nga tangigue. So it has marinated very well. What we'll do now is to chop our pork. Chop them into pieces. And this is what we will mix together with our kinilaw. Okay, let's try this. Ooh. Wow, wow. Sugba lang with rice. Sakto na, napay kinilaw. Perfect. So now that we've chopped our sinugba, plate natin. Ila-layer natin siya. Some will be under. And then, alagyan natin itong kinilaw natin. Then layer it again. Sugba. And then, put everything. And then, again, sugba. And just before we serve it, we'll put a little lemon juice. Dish. There you go. And we'll garnish this with a little lemon. There you go. Beautiful. So, here it is. This is sinuglaw. Kilawing tangigue and sinugba na liempo. Let's try it. Kunin natin sa ilalim kasi yun yung nahalo na with the vinegar. And let's try this out. First, we'll try the fish. What's important in kinilaw is that you have very strong vinegar because that's the one that will marinate your fish well. And then I'll try out the sugba with the onions. Love this! Sapsang butong coconut water. So ladies and gentlemen, there you go. Our menu for today, sinuglaw. Okay? Again, I'll see you next week. Just like and subscribe and make a comment in my YouTube page. Click the notification bell. And I'll see you again here in Goma at home. Have a nice day. Bye. With lots of sili. Perfect. Hurot!